Hello boys and girls of the internet, you're welcome back to the Grind Academy. In today's video guys, I'll be breaking down on how to actually make money online, and I'll be going straight to the point. There will be no BS and there will be no fluff. Some of you have been actually following my strategies that I dish out on this particular channel and you're seeing real results. But here's the truth. Not everyone will succeed at making money online, and here is why. In this particular video, we'll be unpacking what you're doing wrong and what you need to do to actually get to the point where you actually get to make money online. Now, the first thing that you need to fix is your mindset. The truth is, some people come to this internet space and they want to make money online very fast, quickly as possible, and they don't even want to do the work. That is the craziest thing. For you to actually get to the point where you make money online, you need to understand that you making money online, it's not magic, it's work. Just like you have your normal work where you have to put in the work to actually get to the point where you make money online, where you make money offline. That's the same thing you have to do online to actually make money. You need to put in the work to get to the point where you make money online. Some persons also want to make money online. They want to make money online as quick as possible. They don't want to give it time to get to the point where they make money online, and that is a wrong mindset, and that is something that you need to fix. Now, if you must make money online, you should understand and get to the point where you see making money online as a long-term game. You're not here to actually make your first $1 million or $1,000 in the next few seconds. Think it long term. Think it as a business. You build it and it gets to the point where it starts yielding money. That's the first thing, and that's one of the first things you need to know. Fix your mindset and you can fix you making money online. Now let's get into the center of this video, and that is you choosing the right path. If you must get to the point where you make money online, you must choose the right path, do the right thing, and it's the right thing that will actually help you get to the point where you make money online. Now let me talk about the right path that you can actually choose. There are things that I actually recommend you to get to the point you do, and the first thing is content creation. Now, if we're going to do content creation, it has to do with two parts. We have the written content and we have the video content. There is also audio content, but I'm just basically going to talk about the written content and the video content. For the written content, we're talking about blogs. This is where you actually write blogs. It could be news, it could be articles, you could choose a particular niche as a blogger and write blogs in this, get monetized by AdSense, drive traffic to your website, and actually get to the point where you make money online. It's really legit and it's doable. Once you build a business around that, you understand very well that you can make a lot of money out of this. Okay? Now, the second path of this content creation is video creation. Like right now, I'm sitting in front of my camera right now and I'm recording, talking to you guys about how to actually make money online. And this is because I've actually gotten to the point where I've done things that work for me online, and I'm showing you guys so you get to the point where you also do the same thing and actually get results. If you're not creating blog, you're creating videos for YouTube or for Facebook or for TikTok or for any other platform out there. Now, the next thing I'm going to look at is you're going to need to do things like publishing books, still on content creation, right? One of my friends make roughly $200 every month, about $180 to $200 every month, publishing on Amazon. What he does basically is to create books that people need, and people actually get those books from him, and he makes money. It's business. And let me tell you the truth, he did not start it in day one and make money in day two. I mean, some of our thumbnails can actually say you start making money from day one, right? But it's not really as people put it out there. You start a business, you build a business around it, and then you get to the point where you start making money. When he started this, he almost got frustrated because about 3 months, he was not making money off it. About 3 months, 4 months, he didn't make any money off it. But on the 5th month, it just happened like one book actually sold, and he was able to make over $300 in the first month. Over the time, he has been able to make over consistently $200 every month. I can actually do the same thing. In this particular channel, I've also created a video on how to create Amazon KDP accounts right here in Nigeria. So the thing is, you cannot create Amazon KDP accounts in Nigeria. If you want to get to the point where you get around that, I've made a video that shows you how to do that. So you can actually get to the point where you use that particular video, get on your journey on creating books on Amazon and making money off it. If based on request, they will request that I work on any of these niches, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out time to create videos that is centered around particular topics that has to do with KDP, content creation, and then get to the point, and you get to the point where you watch those videos and get to put into action what you've seen. Still under picking the right path, the third thing I'm going to talk about here is freelancing. Okay? So this is where you have a skill and then you go to platforms and offer your skill remotely. Okay, you freelance you go to this platform, people get to hire you on these platforms, and then you end up making money from these platforms. And you have platforms like Fiverr, platforms like Upwork, Truelancer. I mean, there are a lot of platforms out there, people per hour, there are a lot of platforms out there you can actually get onto. If you have a skill, go to these particular platforms, position yourself. Now, you should also understand that maybe in the first month where you create an account, you have things to do on that particular platform to get to the point where you start making money online. It might take you weeks, you might even start making money in the first day. Nothing is really guaranteed, but if you do the right thing, it's going to help you make money sooner. So now, how do you even get to have these skills to offer? There are online places where you can actually get courses. I've actually made a video on how to get courses that can actually help you get a skill for free, and you can actually monetize the courses you've gotten for free. So I'm going to drop the link to how to get courses for free, or any course of your choice for free on Udemy. I'm going to drop the link in the description section or in the comment section, and all you have to do is click on it, watch the video, get a skill, and monetize it. Right. Now, if you're looking for an immediate way to also make money online, there are certain ways that can actually help you get to the point where you make money online, like watching videos, doing tasks, carrying out surveys. I've also made different videos on that, and it's on my channel, and you can actually go through those videos and see how to make actually immediate. I mean, there are videos on my channel you can actually see, check out, and you get to the point where you start making maybe $10 a day, so you can actually start building a business online for yourself. So now I've shown you the right path to actually get into, but you could still get on that path and still make mistakes or fail. And people have failed doing even these things, and there's a reason why they failed. In this particular, I'm going to share with you guys why they fell. Now, one of the things that actually make them fail is jumping between strategies. There are a lot of ways to actually make money online. YouTube is out there, forex trading is out there, blogging is out there. Today you're YouTubing, tomorrow you're blogging, the next day you're doing forex trading. It's doing a lot of things can actually work, but being focused on one thing works better. And if you want to reduce you failing, focus on one thing. Now, the next thing actually makes people fail, which I've actually mentioned in this video before, is expecting overnight success. People actually expect to start today, and people start forex trading today, and it takes them 3, 4, 5 years to then get to the point where they're really, really profitable. Some people start YouTube today. I started my channel, this particular channel right now. I started this particular channel. It's been years that I started this. It's been like 2-3 years now, and we're working at being very, very successful. We're not there yet, but we'll get there eventually. So people want to start a YouTube channel today and they want it to blow up overnight in the next couple of... It doesn't work that way. It's going to work for some persons, but it may not really work for everybody. Now, another thing is having no plan at being consistent. Some people, they suck at being consistent. They want to start today, make money the next day, and it doesn't work that way. They stop being consistent. They stop showing up every day. Showing up every day is the key. If you must be successful at making money online, you get to the point where you show up every day. Consistency is the key at being successful. If you're going to start something, pick one of the things I've actually shown you. It's a YouTube blog, using AI tools to do one of the two things. I mean, there are other horses out there. Pick one, stay on it. Don't jump from one to another. Give it time to actually do well. Try out things in your niche. Try out things. If you're doing YouTube and maybe you try out mortgage, and you see that mortgage doesn't have a lot of you check using the right tools and you see that mortgage doesn't have a lot of audience, you can switch to something that has to do with finance, sports, that has audience, people looking for the kind of content you create, or less competitors. I mean, I need that has less competitors. Find things within your thingy and make it work. You don't need to jump from one to another and then to another. No, it doesn't work that way. Be consistent at one thing. Also set goals. Be sure to set goals and give yourself the time to actually get to the point where you get successful like this. Because people don't really give themselves the time. You want to start today, make money. Give yourself like 2 years, realistic time. 2 years, 1 year to 2 years to actually work on a particular project and start seeing something of it. Do it consistently. If you apply what I've shown you in this particular video, which is consistency, showing every day, being disciplined, doing everything, whether it's working or not working, there is no way you're going to do this for the next 1 year and not get to the point where it works. If you're going to upload videos on your YouTube channel, let's say you're doing YouTube and you're doing AI videos, and you upload videos, let's say 2 videos every week, and you're consistent at it for the next 1 year, there is no way you're not going to seek success at it. There is really, really no way. Now, the last part is I mean, I already talked about consistency. You need persistence. You also need smart. You need to work smart. You need to work hard, smart, and be patient to get to the point where you actually get to make money online. All of this things I've said is find something that works for you. In summary, find something that works for you. Be focused on it. Stay, work hard, work smart, be patient, be consistent at these things, and you get to the point where you start seeing results.